evidence. Why we say we should buy any we should buy no one no kasa di wanim.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana and Sem TV so. But one more this be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications. Say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo also TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo also. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we die. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and say who say you own it a responsibility. I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement. Nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, momi enko. Yenko ko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Women commerce is here.
See my video wa wo your Kohwinii wo your Tr0uble. My video wa could deny say wa ma ha.
am pa. Also main video no also
your Kohwinii my video wa. Ka say wo ma ha da. I need evidence. Why we say we should buy any we should buy no one no kasa di wanim. Bemo kosalome. On your mama man so oh. Sabi Jenfu de ono Sabi Jenfu who should buy
it say NDC t-shirts no dey call you.
Na o koda ho no aye ne obeya ho ache no wasori akwakoye campaign. Na nyame ma ye yi so entuma ana judesu nkrofo yire no dem na somebody mo party way mo kai before elections wo be kai asin central wo kai secretary na MP kwaje ne yire no ene ne wo yetu no some kai ene le central region wa
central region wa
party amutimu mo kai so say Greater Accra for so nya ntokwa executives MIS women's organizer regional women's organizer Kohwinii so hye egu chairman so such chairman say on regional executives be twempena urafi
yeah
enti de ebo party na moti wono nkrofo yere no nkwa na mudidi om rough mudidi so so amunni ni ye na ala mapie we
na pie na blue na ala me blue
enti Felix maybe and mo for opportunities na me na munyina ase
yo
na sania na eko na politics there se we ye ni here we ko bu aten won soro won ye ni here we ko bu aten won soro enti na ohun se ndc form payinfo no omugusu wuwu obi mitwa ebi me ya epilepsy on se na maye pasa no maye pasa ti sa man bu ba she FP elders no like hey uncle pay strength people what na the make catch you to be as person obo bra join the elephant family na anye bia se unni mo bi osuru a ya policy baako etimi dim djuma in pim eto e ma unye bi nye e ma dachi bia no 20 years now obedu baby no se wan damase a na mewu
near the doctor be the president of Ghana because we can't let these brains just go like that. Mas a Ghana problem near John Dramani Mahamo. John Dramani Mahamo since a bit snaps with a Ghana problem till now. It's more into Utah. Konokoda na dwen why timpacho move from come that was bow the other
some public opinion that will say change it, let's then have a new paradigm in Ghana.
Is that something you would get behind?
I think that it is something that is bound to happen. And when that happens,
what's going to provoke it? What's going to make it happen?
Oh, it's the activity, like elsewhere in the world. Like elsewhere in the world, the activities of individuals, of groups. I grew up in England. I went to school as a young boy in England, and I grew up at the time in England when homosexuality was banned there. It was illegal, and I lived the period when British politicians thought it was anathema even to think about changing the law.
Enti sa okay ye papa sa same way NDC for Eddie campaign pa because okasa Nana Akufo-Addo say it's bound to happen. So be careful. Sabre no it's bound to happen. Say nyankophobia ebeba NDC for at that time mode campaign NDC for mode campaign sa is bound to happen mode yedne ati krom ha ye nyina nso support mu akika bi ekire yem papa Nana Akufo-Addo say hey papa when your opportunity where from that noise catch yourself one sign na dey na okeka keka nyoma bebrebe na say o man nkofo no akwanya.
All right, Nana Kwabe Bedas, Papa, way, see. Oh, be the bigger to us watching now. We know dear, we know dear, we know dear, Twaso Ochina Yame Eya Duma, Ochina video back on Subeba, audio no so, and no crowd about 20 minutes, mean to be boarding na. Boy, no normal bro, Saro. Sabote, a choir faso. Didn't you solo? Did you be with you or your friend solo? Or no, and I just saw boo ECG staff. No, didn't you solo? Regional minister, I'm Wakwene. Didn't you solo? Or Chinod you now, my bono, the Obeti solo, no, at TM, Sani and the minister Casa, Sani and the minister Casa, and all boo staff, no, and all that crowd, and so on Casa. My main penny didn't cram ECG for wow pedo, man Casa cake, a chantro. Mopa bonkohwe eye staff no na bisado ma ECG for omo ne ndamanta ma na omo kopie fie omo de no omo nim se eye Franka Muakwene efie enti video na ne yeyi no omo bie mi ade no so omo kopie hodom na chese obi ba ho se who born dog na wo dim se regional minister na wa hada o wian kane ano na mo maba hado na chese mo ba be ye de ba de yampene be so ochina voice abe body achina no it spans by 20 minutes mean to me body nyina ba me no de tip of the year na be de about
emrani na wo eni na madam Oslowu afenyo mark ye nyina ka se na musa se bi o san kwase asemwe ye de hwemu ye de NDC force there beach from George eye nanim se bo float. And the catcher said the law is perfect. And Richard Sky, peace, there be City FM journalist. This is there be.
Me say me catch the play. Me you playing fa. Say NDC4 in this case. We ni pa bonifo. China mekano.
Ojene da ono. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na abusia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bit me kuburu oman bi leaders are KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom kwa another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say, yeah, hospitals and they go sound and no woman say. It is a Canadian who saying and no man in Abaya. It is a scan of Canada was I, what to me was, oh, I mean, say almost same people for. ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so mo be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do they will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is any one if people chose policy if people chose music over policy then yet any nyina ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire bajon dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se dabi digitalization and to kinki ntimo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo mamu kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e dey bajon dramani ma ko gina fese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member Volta region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwe ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya adwuma order. And Onya Juma or hot da. I'm a number one for the first time. Number one I post. Oh yes, number one I post. Yeah, no catch you. We say the boy. Or sister, I'm not. Listen for the first time. Number one and kwa baby akwa dan. And then number one. Yes. Not just say. What's in the Ukraine? Say state institution. We are intelligent institution. Who need intel? Ayeka, bro.
Problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply good no over 75%. Omu koswa na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take omu statement ama o grant omu bi omu koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oil unique case. What ferry a koda I feel the old defediana I feel also by us say any mokra meda mempemubium a jumara nankasa me penachino. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Our journey. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP. And to this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NC for my